drag and drop this 8K video into the video bin. You see that Kdenlive has not seen an 8K video before. That's why it raises this create a new profile. We're going to put this video on the timeline. Just to make sure that everything is set up properly, we go to Project Settings. It is pointing to the right resolution and frames. At this time, completed our editing. We would then go to Render. You can see that my default settings were to a MP4 H.265 codec. For the 8K, this is much more efficient than the H.264. We'll leave that setting as is. We then go to Render to File if you wish to accept this untitled naming. Otherwise, we go here, go to our working folder, and we're going to call this out underbar 8K. Save. Render to file. This is a 6-second video. It appears to be taking 1.5 minutes. And there we go. So let's go into here. Do a right click, Properties, Details, 7680 by 3840. So we don't have an 8K video to start with. Let us use a 4K video. Here's a 4K video. Put it into the video bin. Drag it to the timeline. Render. And if it came in at the H.264, it is not as efficient as H.265. So make sure you always change it to H.265. Now we're going to go over here, and you can see that we can rescale. And we want to rescale this to the 8K resolution, which would be 7680. The aspect ratio is not going to change. Therefore, that number is automatically sized. And we're going to go to our working folder. We'll name the new file 8K underbar 4K. Let's render that. The clip is only 6 seconds long. It looks like it's going to take about a minute to render. And there we go. So let's take a look. Properties, Details, 7680 by 4320.